Downtown Toronto in behind me, still a lot of cloud, but at least it is dry. There was rain, there was even a thunderstorm yesterday evening, but now we're seeing improving conditions. 14 degrees through the afternoon. You don't need that umbrella. You will, however, if you're venturing out tomorrow morning. Another round of wet weather on what's already been a very wet month of April. Locally around the Greater Toronto area, anywhere from 100 to 150 millimeters so far this month, and we're just barely halfway through. 12 degrees in Chicago, it's 2 in Winnipeg, it's -6 in Saskatoon. The snow finally tapering off, but the chill remains back in the prairies. New York City, 8 degrees, a couple other locations south of the border. Denver was 24 yesterday, now at -1. Crazy, the weather that changes right there at the base of the Rockies. Meanwhile, we are tracking another round of wet weather that's going to be arriving thanks to these upper level winds. As far as our radar satellite goes, there's 2 areas of showers. One moving through Ottawa into Montreal now, and then here comes that next round. That is Friday's weather maker. Behind it, yes, it'll be cooler for the weekend, but overall dry conditions anticipated. So this afternoon, rain in Montreal, and then here comes that next round moving through southern and central Ontario, eventually getting further east by afternoon on Friday. At the same time, the wet weather comes through pretty quick, so Friday afternoon is looking great across southern Ontario as we get back into sunshine just in time to start the weekend. And then we are going to see a mix of sun and cloud and maybe some isolated showers up north on Saturday. The temperature warmest on Friday, 8 degrees only, breezy on Saturday, and then back up to 12 on Sunday. It could get even colder as we go later into next week. Daytime highs, but also those overnight lows. So if you're thinking of planting this weekend, keep that in mind, that there is still the threat of frost and even a harder freeze, as we're only in the middle of April. Now for Montreal, here too, it's mild on Friday, a bit cooler this weekend. The sun will be out, especially on Sunday, and then by Thursday, a low of -2 with a high of 9 degrees. Candace, back to you.
Thanks so much, Anthony, and thank you at home for tuning in.
Brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. With the industry's best warranties and over 1,000 5-star reviews, come and experience the Midas difference.
Yes, a few showers last night. It slowed down today to a drizzle and mist, and so a few fog patches here and there too. Looks like more fog developing tonight as we get into a continuation of that drizzly period, intermittent drizzle and mist. Tomorrow, though, the cold front seeps in, and that's when we get back into another round of showers through the morning and through the early afternoon. We hope to see that come to an end in the afternoon. However, though the low itself and most of what it's doing moves on, we see that chance of showers regenerating over Saturday, but you may get some sunny periods too, some of us anyway. It's going to try to clear up, but the system's quite large and you're getting this wraparound effect. So you're getting some troughing in behind the system that brings that small chance, 30–40%, not a big deal. And then sunny on Sunday, but you're going to find temperatures start to drop. It's going to cool down. Showers developing on Tuesday again. So enjoy the sunshine on Sunday and Monday, because it's going to get back into cloud and wet weather on Tuesday again. But the nice thing is the trade-off is when you get into the wet weather out of the south with that warm front, temperatures come back up again. You'll get some sunshine over the weekend and into Monday, but it's going to be cool. We'll check those details in just a moment. 7 in Kingston today, probably closer to a 10 inland away from the lake, and that's what they had in Belleville, Brockville, Smiths Falls. A 9 in Ottawa today, 12 in Peterborough, 13 in Oshawa and Toronto both. And 13 is the seasonal norm for a daytime high in the Kingston area. So we are below normal. Sitting at that 7 right now. Southerly winds at 13 kilometers per hour. And yes, we are getting that light shower, drizzle, mist. That will continue tonight. 11 millimeters of rain as a result of this system so far. And there's still yet more to come. A couple more minutes of daylight, too. 3 more minutes, actually. We are looking at some high pressure in the south, trying to thin things out a little bit. And that's why you're seeing it slow down. We're in between fronts, the first of which was a warm front, and it's sort of that sort of tropical kind of feel out there, the mist and drizzle. Even when it's not drizzling or raining and you swipe your hand through the air, you can feel that moisture, fog developing in some places. Now we're going to get into the cold front in the morning, and that's what's going to bring showers, none of this misty, drizzly stuff, right into the showers. And then by the afternoon, we see that dropping. But there are those troughs I'm speaking of. We've got a couple lows here that are working to bring the active weather coming our way. And that's why this very large area of precipitation, though the centers of those lows move on, you still see the troughing in behind, that wraparound effect, and so you are looking at that probability of showers over your Saturday. So this is what we're at right now. You're not really seeing a whole lot of activity, but we are getting that mist, drizzle, thinning in the cloud at times. But then, yes, there's that cold front. Through the morning and early afternoon, we get the showers, but by the supper hour, we see things moving out and even some partial clearing. But Saturday, there's that trough. There's that probability of showers again. We see that wrap up early evening and some clearing, hoping for some sunshine on Sunday. You may get some sunny periods Saturday too, but you're still getting that small probability of showers. Belleville, a high 13 tomorrow, and yeah, you're looking at showers through the morning and early afternoon. 9 is your high on Saturday with a mix of sun and cloud by the afternoon, but you do have that 30% probability of showers through the morning. Sunday, a high of 11 and a mix of sun and cloud. Brockville up to 16 degrees tomorrow with showers. For Saturday, up to 10 Celsius, and you've got a mostly cloudy day, 40% chance of showers. Hope to see that end by the afternoon, that probability of showers, but you probably won't see the clearing until late afternoon, early evening. Sunday's a high 9 and a mix of sun and cloud. Smiths Falls up to 16 tomorrow for you as well, and shower activity. For Saturday, a high 10, mostly cloudy, still a good 60% chance of showers. That should end late afternoon, clearing overnight, or partial clearing anyway. For Sunday, it's a mix of sun and cloud and a high of 10. Kingston, your weather, 13 for a high tomorrow with a good chance of showers still through the morning and afternoon as the cold front pushes through. Saturday, yeah, the result of the cold front, we're only going to get single-digit daytime highs over Saturday and Sunday. Almost double, though. We're reaching 9 over the weekend. Mix of sun and cloud Saturday. That chance of showers lingering at 40% probability. Sunday, it's a mix of sun and cloud. Real cool Monday, only up to 7 degrees, but lots of sunshine. Tuesday, back to double digits, but barely, with a high of 11, and the chance of showers returns. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, still a chance of showers, and cooler, a high 6, and up to 8 degrees on Thursday, and mainly sunny. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
As I promised earlier in the week, Janice James sent us this great picture of a great blue heron in flight, and then moments later I received this, and I didn't want to use them both in one day. Yeah, Janice, thanks so much. What a great candid shot.
Lovely.
There's Mama grooming the babies. Yeah, mother and kits. Janice is not disclosing where this is. She doesn't want anyone rushing over there and pestering them, so which is considerate. Thanks, Janice, for sharing your photos this week. And if you've got pictures, do like Janice did and send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Lovely picture, Bill.
Yeah.
Kind of sums up the season, too,
Yes.
with the rebirth and babies all over the place, right?
Yep.
I just want to quickly pass on my thanks to residents of Kingsdale Chateau Retirement Community for inviting me earlier today to speak to them about what we do every night and the news industry in general, and how we get a show together, and how we can get more sunshine out of you. There was some kinds of
We'll squeeze it out of them.
Yeah.
I visit my dad's retirement home, and yeah, that's often the big topic. Where's the sunshine?
I'll bet it is.
Yeah.
They're avid viewers. They have lots of questions. They're loyal viewers and wonderful residents. And thanks to Chelsea for the invite. Great to get out, Bill. It's been a long time since we've been kind of doing that with the pandemic and the lockdown, of course.
Yeah.
But, everything is starting to get back to normal again. And I told them on your behalf I think they understand your dilemma as the messenger here. It's your lifelong dilemma.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and hopefully your dilemma will get a little easier in the 10-day outlook a little bit later. We'll find out. Thanks, Bill. The end of April is already in sight in your 10-day outlook, Bill.
Yes, and a soggy start to our 10-day outlook. We've got more rain on the way. It's just drizzle and mist now, fog patches overnight as that continues. But in the morning, the cold front reaches us with showers for the morning and early afternoon. Hope to see that come to an end later in the day. Some partial clearing overnight. Saturday, it's a mix of sun and clouds. Still a little bit of wraparound from that last system, so there is a probability of some showers, but a light probability. Sunday, high of 9, mix of sun and clouds. Sunny on Monday with a high of only 7. Yeah, a little on the cool side. 13 is actually the seasonal average for a daytime high. Tuesday, 11 degrees as the chance of showers returns, and a cool 6 on Wednesday. Again, still a chance of showers at 70% probability. Thursday, it's a high of 8, mainly sunny, mix of sun and cloud for Friday with a high 10, and highs of 13 over the weekend, next weekend, and the chance of showers back into the forecast.
Well, when this month finally ends, maybe you should do a count and the amount of how much rain we actually got, because it's been a very wet month, hasn't it?
Yeah, we've already broken the average of
We
what we
have,
should be getting for April, yeah.
Okay, and so we'll exceed that. So last month we're breaking temperature records.
Now it's all about the precipitation.
Now it's about precipitation.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Yeah, the showers we had last night tapered off to a drizzle, mist, and a few fog patches in low-lying areas, too. We're looking at more of that tonight. Before we get slammed with this cold front, bringing more showers. So the first of this active weather in this train of lows was all about the warm front. And that's helping to bring temperatures up. We'll be up to a 13 tomorrow in Kingston for a daytime high. But as the secondary low and the leading edge of this cold front pushes through, we see more showers through the day tomorrow. So we'll give up that little bit of light mist and drizzle for some real showers through the day. As it moves on, we get into partial clearing Saturday. You might see that probability of showers hang on, especially through the morning. Troughing still occurring, so on the back end you're getting that wraparound from this active weather, and so it sort of prolongs. We're hoping that by Sunday we'll at least get a mix of sun and cloud, and that probability of showers probably ending early in Belleville Saturday. So showers tomorrow, high 13, only up to 9 Saturday, Belleville. As you see, a mix of sun and cloud by the afternoon, a touch of showers in the morning, and Sunday a high of 11 and a mix of sun and cloud. Brockville up to 16 degrees tomorrow. More showers up to 10 on Saturday with a 40% chance of showers. You may not see that partial clearing too much later in the day. Sunday, it's a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 9 degrees. Smiths Falls rising to 16 degrees tomorrow, and yes, more showers as the cold front pushes through. Saturday, it's a high of 10 degrees, mostly cloudy and a 60% chance of showers, clearing through the evening, or partial clearing anyway. Sunday, a high 10 and a mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, your forecast up to 13 degrees tomorrow as we see showers developing in the morning. They should end in the afternoon, hoping for a mix of sun and clouds Saturday, but you may have that probability of showers through the morning as troughing occurs. Sunday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 9, 7 on Sunday. Yeah, a little cooler, but lots of sunshine. Back to double digits Tuesday with a high of 11 and a chance of showers. Chance of showers Wednesday, too, with a high 6, only up to 8 Thursday and mainly sunny.